Let me get you some coffee.
Thanks. It's your turn to get coffee.
Well, I'm gonna have some coffee.
Maybe we can get coffee.
At some point in our lives, we all get coffee. Your time's now. Come on.
At some point, something will happen or be addressed at an unspecified time in the future.
I'll make you some coffee.
No, no, don't. Stop cleansing my aura.
Cleanse, to make something completely clean. Aura, a feeling or character that a person or place seems to have. Number 2, a type of light that some people say they can see around people and animals.
Probably my aura.
Feel my aura.
I'm not kidding. He's got that aura.
And one last cleansing breath.
Stage 4. Cleansing beginning.
This is a cleansing moment of clarity.
Stop running away from this conversation.
So you go on and stamp your form, Sonny, and stop wasting my time.
Sonny, a form of address used by an older person to a boy or a young man.
Please stop sending us letters.
Leave someone or something alone. Phrasal verb. To not annoy, change, or touch someone or something.
You cannot leave me alone with these people.
And I wanted to leave alone with my daughter.
Well, you're ready to see the one place they still leave alone.
I'll be fine, all right? Really, everyone. I hope she'll be very happy.
I'll be fine. Everything will be okay. Or that you have the ability to cope with a difficult situation.
I'll be fine.
We'll be fine.
You sure you don't want me alone?
No, I'll be fine.
I'll be fine over here.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. To hell with her. She left me.
To hell with something or somebody. Used to say in a forceful and angry way that one does not care about someone or something.
To hell with the diet.
Oh, to hell with dignity.
You know what? I say to hell with it. Let's level with America. To hell with them.
Did you have sex with her?
To hell with sex.
And you never knew she was a lesbian.
Dentist is actually a lesbian.
I deeply regret my lack of knowledge about gay and lesbian people. I see that everything I was taught and told was bigotry and dehumanizing slander.
Bigotry. Strong, unreasonable ideas, especially about race and religion. Dehumanizing. Opposite. Humanize.
I hate Miss Billingsley. Everybody's been saying she's lesbian.
No, okay? Why does everyone keep fixating on that?
Fixate on something. To think about something too much and find it difficult to stop.
What? Alex will fixate on stuff like this at the Christmas party.
I will fixate on you as the instrument of my destruction.
Fixate on it. Are you fixating on it?
Some advice. Blend in. Don't give her no reason to fixate on you.
Give no reason to do something. Blend in. Blend into something. To look or seem the same as surrounding people or things, and therefore not be easily noticeable.
Once they fixate on somebody, they're capable of anything.
You can't keep doing this all the time.
I keep thinking Jake might just show up and say hello.
You can't keep doing this, Forrest.
Can't keep doing this on my own.
Do you keep doing this?
She didn't know. How should I know?
How should I know? Used to say that one does not know something and should not be expected to know the answer.
How should I know? Do your job, fly up there and take a look.
How should I, your true love, know from another one?
How should I treat them?
How should we inscribe your tombstone?
Sometimes I wish I was a lesbian.
The board asked me to read this out loud to you. Say that out loud again.
Out loud.
Yes, your boss hasn't said the word AIDS out loud.
All right, Ross, look. You're feeling a lot of pain right now.
You feel pain?
You have to feel pain. Pain like she felt to understand.
Who the hell are you? You feel pain?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fish don't feel pain.
The number one song in the country right now.
I think most people right now have other priorities.
I can't even study right now.
Right now we're showing 50 people missing, one bus.
You're angry. You're hurting. You don't want to hurt the boy, Harvey.
It's hard work. I try to keep up.
but my hands hurt most of the time.
Please, my insides hurt.
$1's not going to hurt anyone.
Can I tell you what the answer is? Strip joints!
Strip joint or strip club, a bar where the main entertainment is performers removing their clothes while dancing to music.
Did you hear about the Polish strip joint?
Everybody out for the strip show!
No bars, no strip joints, nothing.
You know, like strip joints, dirty magazines, pornography.
Dirty, adjective, not polite, informal, used to describe something that is connected with sex in a way that many people think is offensive, like dirty magazines, dirty books, dirty jokes.
To the strip joints and stuff?
We crossed over this thing many, many times, Danny, Tim, and I. In high school, we would go to Canadian strip joints that would secretly serve minors their house beer.
We leave right now. We hit Manzanita right about the time the strip joint's open.
Come on!
Now, it's your turn to mute the video sound and repeat it out loud. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos and leave a red heart in the comments to ensure your subscription doesn't jump ship. Hope to see you guys by Tuesday. Goodbye.